Okay, there's a pretty bombshell report today in the British Medical Journal, one of the biggest medical journals. It's called Researcher Blows the Whistle on Data Integrity Issues in Pfizer's Trial. Try not to say the certain words, although it's already on the screen, so I'll probably get censored. All right, I highly recommend that you go and read this. The woman who blew the whistle has over 15 years experience in clinical trial research and told the British Medical Journal that the company falsified data, unblinded patients, employed inadequately trained vaccinators, and was slow to follow up on adverse events reported in the pivotal trial. Essentially, she reported all this stuff to the FDA and then later that day was fired from doing her job. So to reiterate, she sent complaints to the research company Ventavia. It was the third party during Pfizer's trial. She sent multiple complaints. They ignored all of it. So then she emailed the FDA and then was fired the same day from Ventavia, right? So how do you even get fired the same day when you only told the FDA? Very strange. She had over 15 years of experience, but this was also corroborated by documents, emails, audio recordings, and photos that she's taken, as well as several other former Ventavia employees that many people who were in other meetings and there's texts of saying, yeah, everything that you complained about was absolutely spot on. We have other people with over 20 years of experience that said they've never experienced such a helter-skelter work environment as with Ventavia on the Pfizer trial, meaning absolutely disorganized and chaotic. Additional crazy details include the fact that the FDA never investigated anything that this woman reported, right? So she got fired somehow from the other job. They did not do any further investigation into this. Not only that, but Pfizer then reused this same research company, I think at least 4 other times, don't quote me on that, but throughout all of the other main trials that were happening, right? That the whole world effectively is relying on the accuracy of this data. Now, many of us were screaming from the beginning that this company cannot be trusted, that this type of stuff happens constantly, because anyone that reads books or listens to whistleblowers with any sense of an open mind can hear that they're not risking their entire careers to say some batshit nonsense. These people are trying to get the attention so that because they actually care about the world. One of the most alarming claims, if true, is that they said in several instances Ventavia lacked enough employees to properly test for infection of trial participants who reported COVID-like symptoms. This was the entire endpoint of the whole trial to see whether or not it prevented COVID and COVID-like symptoms. And apparently in several different cases from just this one research company, they were not actually testing properly. So, how do you predict the future? By being keenly aware of the past and present. That's how, over a year ago, some of us were saying, these people lie. They manipulate research. They have billions of dollars to gain. We can't trust them.